I'm Arima Ainambakam. I'm a Senior Engineering Manager here at Nabors Industries, supporting Smart ROS, our rig operating system. Nabors owns and operates the largest land drilling rig fleet in the upstream oil and gas industry. Nabors offers a breadth of drilling automation solution and decarbonization solutions. This is enabled by Smart ROS, our rig operating system. We offer everything from the lowest level of machine control to the highest level of process automation and optimization. In the decarbonization realm, we offer automated engine management, power management, and other solutions to reduce the carbon intensity of drilling. What sets Smart ROS apart from the competition is that we are easier to integrate, flexible, cost-effective, and offer a more comprehensive portfolio of drilling applications. We're also completely vertically integrated in that we can scale from the lowest level of machine control to the highest level of process and automation control. We also allow other solution providers in our space to build and deploy their solutions on top of our drilling platform. With Smart ROS, our customers are able to reduce their costs, lower the burden on their personnel, and ultimately operate more safely by further integrating automation into their processes. Rockwell has continued to support us with tools and technologies that have enabled us to build a versatile rig operating system. Smart ROS is now capable of solving some of the greatest challenges we face in our industry today while preparing us for the challenges of tomorrow.